CPA offers, guys, it can get you a lot of money. I have made a strategy today and I'm going to show you how you can get the traffic for your CPA leads, guys. So stick to it. Let's go and see how it's done. And of course, hit that subscribe. Of course, this will work all around the world. So whether you live in Brazil, whether you live, I don't know, in Japan, wherever, guys, you can get that money, okay? There's a lot of money. So just follow the steps so you can be profitable as well. First website that I'm about to show you today is called CPA Lead, okay? So you will get these CPA offers, and CPA stands for cost per action, okay? So whenever someone does certain action that is required, you get certain amount of money, and there's a good money in here, guys. You can see that on Trustpilot, CPA Lead has 4.6 out of 5, and people are really satisfied. Just take a look at this, guys. I have earned more than 1,000 bucks. This person says that, and a lot of people are satisfied, and you can find a lot of good comments on Trustpilot. You can just go and do your own research, guys. There's a lot of money on this website, so just stick with me and let's go. So for start, all that you have to do is you have to click on sign up button over here, guys, and that's it. Just complete this simple information about yourself and then you can proceed. But of course, there's also this website which is called CPA Grip, and I have made a lot of money. In fact, I made even more money with this one than I did with CPA Leads. So CPA Grip, it's the same thing. Those are just two websites, but like this one more. So for example, you can just register in here as well. And one thing that you have to take care of when you register on this website is you have to click on publisher type, okay? So you want to click on this one, GPT. This stands for Get Paid To, and those are kind of offers that we're gonna go and involve ourselves in, okay? So just make yourself an account, let's log in so we can go and grab that money, okay? So when you log in inside, you will have your dashboard in front of you, okay? So for example, this is like some chat window, and you can chat with people, you can get some help, you can get a lot of valuable information, guys. But if you follow this video, you will know everything that you need to know in order to get that money and be just like these people. Just take a look at this. This is Sedeka, guys. This is System Bot, which is telling from time to time how much money certain person has made. And a lot of people have made a lot of money, so you can do the same thing, guys. If you just apply yourself, if you invest a bit of your time, the money is yours. So when you get in here, I suggest that you go right away and click on Offer Tools and click on My Offers. That's it. Now, you can see in here that there are a lot of offers. And of course, you can involve yourself into any one of these. Of course, you can take many, okay? You don't have to stick to one. You can, for example, take 2, 4, 5, 6, any number of these offers, and it will give you this payout. You can see the payout in here, guys, and you can see that this is a low amount of money. So $2 for something. But this is so easy, and the traffic is going to be so enormous, guys, that you're going to be easily getting like, I don't know, maybe 50 of these clicks in 1 week, and that's 100 bucks at least, guys. And this requires email, zip, submit. Now, what this means is that any person who just clicks on this one grabs 750 PayPal gift card now, while each person has the chance to get that card for themselves. But before that, they have to enter their email address, okay? So that's all that they have to do, and you will get $2 for you. So you can see how this is easy. So people don't have to go and buy certain thing in order for you to get that money. No, they just have to enter their email address in the box, and that's it. That's how you get that money, and that is why this is so easy, guys. And of course, they have a chance to get some huge amount of money, and everyone will do that. Just enter the email address, and there is money for you, okay? That is so easy. So what do you have to do now is you have to copy this link of this offer, and now we have to get that traffic to that link in order to get that money for ourselves. Now, the first thing that you can do is you can use Pinterest.com. Pinterest.com is a really good website with a lot of traffic on it, and you can see on SimilarWeb, if you go to check that out, guys, total visits are 1 billion, guys. So each month this website has 1 billion users on it, guys. You can see that it has nice growth. This year's has been a good year for Pinterest, 1 billion each month, and the majority of those people are coming from the United States, guys, and that's what we need for this strategy. As you can see, I have made my offers on United States, okay, but of course this can be done in any other country, okay. So I don't know, maybe you come from India, you can do some from that, but I use Pinterest because I use these which are related to US, okay. And of course you can see that out of this 1 billion people, guys, you can see that the majority are coming from the United States, and that's what I need for this strategy, and you can just replicate this. But of course, guys, when you get the chance, hit that subscribe button. Thank you. So what you can do, guys, is you can go on Pinterest and do the exact same thing like this guy is doing. Just take a look at this, guys. Get $750 PayPal gift card, just the thing that we need, okay. So you can just maybe copy this picture, you can just save this image as, and of course then all that you have to do is you have to make your own pin, okay. So just go to your account, make yourself an account on Pinterest, of course, click on this plus icon and click on pin, and then you just add the picture in here, okay. And destination link is going to be the link for that email address input. So all that you have to do is you have to grab this link, and that's going to be your destination link on Pinterest.com. Now all you have to do is you have to add the title in this box, and of course for that you can easily just copy this and then you can paste that in here. You can just grab the picture. You can also go to google.com and you can just type in PayPal gift card, and of course you can just go to images and download each one of these, okay. So whatever you want, just take a look at this. You can just grab that. You can even get this $1,000. It doesn't matter. All that matters is that you get the traffic to that link so people can click on it, and then they're going to be redirected to a place where they will enter their email address, and that's going to get you $2 per person. That's nice thing, guys. Just make your pin, guys. It's so easy, and you'll get the traffic which is already here on Pinterest. And you can see that a lot of people are doing that. So for example, this guy is doing that with Amazon gift cards. And of course, you can see that this Natalie has this link. This is your destination link, and this is how your link will look like, okay? So this is the same thing. People just go and they have to enter their email address. But of course, there are a lot of offers on CPA Grip, guys. For example, you can see that this one is mobile install. So for example, people have to install this on their mobile phones, but of course that's going to be way harder, guys. It is the most simple way for people to just go and enter their email address. They don't have nothing to lose, and then you get $2 in this case, and that's nice amount of money, guys. So I highly suggest this to anyone. Anyone can do this wherever you live. So just go and take that action, guys, and I will catch you later.